concept of childhood. Children and childhood are familiar terms to us. We all have been through the age when we were called children and have experienced the phase called childhood. Not only childhood, but also we have passed through the stages of adolescence with varied experiences. The word childhood means the state of being a child. Till the end of the 20th century, the idea of childhood as a separate social category had been paid very little attention. According to cultural norms and expectations, the definition of childhood also varies. As adults, we see children in the same manner and not as unique individuals who have varied experiences, interests, styles of learning, and knowledge. We often force them to be the way we want them to be, which deeply influences children's development. As teachers or prospective teachers, we need to develop a familiarity with experiences of children so that we can question our own perceptions about the children we teach. In this unit, an attempt has been made to become aware of limitations of our own understandings about children. In order to understand the different experiences, it is fair to consider the variety of perspectives of childhood. Let us first examine the anthropological perspective of childhood.